beautiful, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a full review on this Iris Remy wig and show you how to achieve these beautiful curls. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also turn on that notification bell, that way you are notified each and every time I post up a new video. Alright guys, so here I have my Iris Remy wig and I pinned that onto my canvas mannequin head. Now I've obviously worn this wig before, as you can tell from the hairline, but I'm just going to go ahead and pluck just a little bit more, that way it is even all across the front. So now this wig is actually slightly damped in the middle, but I'm just going to go ahead and section this hair off and detangle it, make sure I have all of those knots out. And I'm going to go in with this healing oil, that way it has more of a natural shine before we start curling the hair. So this is quote unquote virgin hair, so we can go ahead and actually use real heat. So I have my flat ironed up to 460 degrees, and like I said before, since this hair is damped, I'm just gonna kind of like straighten it, which really wasn't working too well, but soon you can actually just see me just starting to curl this hair because it was not straightening at all the way I needed it to be. Done curling this hair. Next we're gonna move on to the top piece of the hair. Guys, you will see exactly why I am not a fan of this wig a little bit later. I am basically trying to brush this hair out and it kind of matted as it was drying, so I'm kind of over this wig right now. Aside from all the tangling, we are going to go ahead and continue to slay this hair. So we're just going to continue doing those same exact curls at the top of the wig. To finalize this look, I'm just going to go ahead and spray that keratin oil, and this is what the curls are looking like before I throw this wig on my head.
Alright guys, so I am just about done curling this hair. I didn't know obviously how it was going to look when I put it on my head, but I'm going to go ahead and secure this piece down because it's not secured down just yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my my bold hold lace cream, and I'm just going to apply my little dots. And since this is a full 13 by 4, I'm just going to do it in little sections first. That way I kind of don't mess it up. Alright, beautiful people, so your girl has finished this wig. it took me a while to kind of achieve the look I'm actually looking for. It's not the worst wig, but it's not the best. The name of this wig is Grace, and this is a 24-inch wig here. And I got it in like the natural number 2 color, but you know, I like it. It definitely holds a curl for the day. And for these particular curls, I just use my my flat iron, but I also do have my curl wand. So if these curls don't hold up, it'll probably be a lot quicker for me to just go ahead and throw some wand curls in here. So when I actually first got this wig, the hair was super pretty. It was very soft, very flowy, and it didn't mat, it didn't tangle. It was very good. I would say about, maybe about 2 weeks later, it started just like the ends started getting very, very dry. So I would use just like regular deep conditioning and just condition the ends. Mind you, I wasn't putting any product or anything on this hair, so I don't know what it could have been. Now, the hair did come in this big box like so. And I think also is that it's not synthetic hair. It's not like that full, well, it says say 100% human hair, but it's also Remy, you know, so I haven't really had too much experience with Remy before. I've either had a synthetic blend, 100% virgin hair. This is obviously my first time getting Remy, so it came in this huge box. The packaging of the box was super cute, and it just came with a hairnet and a, you know, little like the wig filler. And inside the box, it does have instructions on how to treat this hair, and it also does say do not use any oil sheen, do not brush the hair a lot, do not soak the hair overnight. Now, this wig cost me, I believe the original price was $250. I believe I got this wig for $230 because I had a couple points from my local beauty supply store. So this kind of was, you know, not an expensive wig, but $230. I would think that it will last a little bit longer than it lasted. Maybe I got like a bad batch of the wigs, but I really had high hopes for this wig to like kind of hold up a little bit better. Now, this is a 13x4, so this is not a full lace wig, but it does have the ear-to-ear lace, and it goes back to 4 inches by 13. This is literally how long the part, or how like, you know, length of the parting space is. I did not bleach these knots. I just added some foundation underneath the wig, you know, that way it can kind of show through a little bit. What I think I'm going to do is go ahead with my foundation, my NYX foundation, and I think I'm just gonna go over this part area because my part is hiding right now and I need my part to be showing. Guys, so that's gonna have to work for it now, but all the work that I had to do for this hair, I didn't even touch the side piece because I don't plan on wearing it up in this ponytail. But if you do decide to purchase this hair, you will have to pluck this area a lot just so it has that natural hairline. I think I did the most parting here. I'm sorry, the most plucking in this area just because I knew I was going to wear either whichever side part or middle part. But yeah, I will not purchase this wig again. I would honestly give this wig on a scale of 1 to 10. I'll probably give it like a 6. Maybe a 7, maybe a 7, but for the price, it's definitely getting a 5 because $230 for a wig that feels like synthetic hair, I don't think it's good at all. You know, and when I wash it, it looks beautiful. Like when it's still wet, it looks gorgeous, but it starts tangling and matting during like the drying process. So I don't know who's gonna walk around with just wet hair all day, every day. So of course this hair is beautiful when it's wet. The wave pattern is gorgeous, but when this bad boy dries, you're gonna literally be like brushing through it and it sheds. So,
right, beautiful. So this wraps up this Iris Remy review. If you have not done already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys next time.